Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Unikum German Classes. German alphabets with pronunciation. The letter R is pronounced as its standard pronunciation A, so the word is pronounced as Apfel. The letter B has the pronunciation B. The word is pronounced as Bahnhof. The letter C has two pronunciations, K and C. In this word, it should be pronounced as K. The word is clown. The letter D has pronunciation D. The word is delphine. The letter A is pronounced as its standard pronunciation A. So the word is pronounced as Essen. The letter F has pronunciation F. The word is Frosch. The letter G has two common pronunciations G and Sh. However, in this word, it should be pronounced as G. The word is Gitarre. The letter H has pronunciation H. The word is heads. The letter E has the same pronunciation as its standard pronunciation E. The word is institute. The letter Y has pronunciation Y. The word is yogurt. The letter K has two pronunciations K and K. In this word, it should be pronounced as K. So the word is Katze. The letters L, M, N and O retain the same pronunciation as in English. So the letter L has the pronunciation L. The word is pronounced as Licht. M, the pronunciation is M. The word is Mann. Letter N has pronunciation N. The word is Nase. The letter O has pronunciation O. The word is pronounced as Orangensaft. The letter P has pronunciation P. The word is pronounced as Pommes. The letter Q has pronunciation K. So the word is pronounced as Qualle. The letter R has pronunciation R. So the word is pronounced as ring. The letter S has three common pronunciations S, Z and Sh. However, in this word, it should be pronounced as Z. So the word is pronounced as Sonne. The letter T has pronunciation T. The word is Tee. The letter U has the same pronunciation as its standard pronunciation U. So the word is pronounced as Uhr. The letter V is pronounced as F, same as the letter F. So the word is pronounced as Vogel. The letter V is pronounced as V. So the word is Wassermelon. X has two pronunciations X or Ts. So the word is pronounced as xylophone. Epsilon is pronounced as U. So the word is pronounced as symbol. Z has the pronunciation Z. So the word is pronounced as zebra. A umlaut has the same pronunciation as the letter A. So the word would be pronounced as Eiffel. O umlaut, the pronunciation is O. So the word would be pronounced as Earl. The letter O umlaut is pronounced as U, as in the English letter U. So the word is pronounced as Gemüse. The letter H can be pronounced as S, Z or Sh. But in this word, it should be pronounced as S. So the word is Fußball. Thanks for watching and keep practicing. If you want to get notified with the new videos, like and subscribe.